Here's a Makita belt sander. It runs good, but it needs a new belt, pulleys, and possibly brushes. To get to the belt, pulleys, and brushes, you need to take off these 4 screws. Here's the belt. These teeth can wear out. Pulleys, they wear here and here. This one here, you have to take off, has left-handed threads. This has regular threads. But they spin freely, so you have to take off the other side. We're going to take this part of the case off, and we're going to take this bottom part off. And to do that, you have to take off these 7 screws here in the blue part, and these 2 screws here on the black part. I already took the screws out. And for the brushes, you unscrew this cap, and there's another one on the other side. And then, there's your brushes. Okay, now we'll take this one off. Remember, it's a left-handed thread, and we'll just grab out of the other end. So, I turn this clockwise. There's one of the pulleys. Now the other one, you have to get a hold of this part here, and then put a 10mm wrench on this end. And it's normal thread. Okay, it's pulling the bearing off on this side, which is okay. Now there's a little flat spot on here, and you can put a wrench on it. A 7mm wrench. And we're gonna get this other pulley off now. And there it is.